I've got the well-being of the employees, and I'm looking at ways of streamlining and have better communication between us being in the office and the people that are out on site and in the yard. Without the staff on site and in the yard, this company wouldn't work. They are very, very important. So I need to look after them. Monday to Friday, they could be away, not seeing any of their family. Now with ADP, they've shown us ways that we can process payments, especially things like overnights. They use this money to live on during the week, so they need us to get this money right. And ADP have suggested that we use their expenses system, and then we can process their payments into another account, which is what they use during the week. So it's massive for them. I work in a really good team. It's like one big family. It's such a friendly place and everyone's happy, and we try to make everyone welcome. Even with new people that start, we'll take them under our wing, we'll show them the ropes, we'll take them out. And from the very beginning with ADP, we met with one particular sales consultant. She fitted well with us and with our culture and the environment that we're trying to create. When you're bringing in something new, you're up against so many challenges because it's all unknown. You're learning as well, and you need to have, I think, a really special relationship. It was just so easy to pick up the phone and have that reassurance that they were there to help. It was amazing. We are currently with one payroll company, but they had 2 different payroll systems in place and they work completely differently. The amount of paperwork, spreadsheets and manual input was just a complete headache. And being one person trying to do everything, it was becoming intolerable. To do a payroll, we were currently doing approximately 10 spreadsheets a month. And with ADP, there's no need for spreadsheets. Currently what we do is we print paper pay slips and we send them out. We have so many complaints that they've lost them, they can't find them. By having the self-service, it means that they can log in at any time, they can print and view their pay slips as many times as they want, and it's there for their record forever. It's important for me because it frees up my time to do other things. So I'm looking at pensions now, whereas before we would just administer the pensions. Now I can look at expanding and what's best for our employees. It wasn't purely about the product. We wanted to feel that we were going to get supported, that we would have a help desk. They make you feel like you're the only client that they're working with. Several times I had phone calls and it was to see what my thoughts were. It was all about me and not about them. They're listening to what my needs are and they can hear what I'm trying to say to them. They've just gone above and beyond, that's all I can say. And that's what we've loved. We've all built that bond with ADP.